Welcome to our analysis of the best alternatives to the Panama Canal. Each route we'll explore today has its own unique advantages and challenges depending on your shipping needs. From the treacherous waters of Cape Horn to the icy expanse of the Arctic Northwest Passage, we'll chart a course through the possibilities and weigh the pros and cons of each alternative. Join me, Marvin Johnson, as we embark on this journey through the world of maritime logistics. For centuries, Cape Horn, at the southernmost tip of South America, was the only gateway between the Atlantic and Pacific for ships unwilling or unable to brave the journey across the Isthmus of Panama. Towering waves, often exceeding 30 feet, buffet ships relentlessly, while gale-force winds, known as the Roaring Forties, can make navigation a perilous endeavor. Despite the challenges, Cape Horn offers one key advantage: its sheer size. For bulk carriers transporting raw materials, where time is less critical, the longer route around the Cape may be a viable option. High above the Arctic Circle, another potential route beckons: the Arctic Northwest Passage. This treacherous sea lane, winding through the islands of northern Canada, offers a tantalizing shortcut for ships traveling between Europe and Asia. The passage, once impassable due to year-round ice cover, has become increasingly navigable in recent years, as climate change shrinks the polar ice cap. However, the Arctic Northwest Passage remains a challenging route fraught with hazards and limited infrastructure. Far to the south, at the foot of the African continent, lies the Cape of Good Hope. This historic landmark, first rounded by Portuguese explorers in the 15th century, marks the dividing line between the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. While not a direct alternative to the Panama Canal, the Cape of Good Hope offers a reliable year-round route for ships traveling between Asia and South America or the east coast of North America. However, the route around the Cape of Good Hope adds thousands of miles to a journey compared to the Panama Canal shortcut. For decades, the idea of a canal through Nicaragua, a country renowned for its lakes and rivers, has been floated as a potential rival to the Panama Canal. Such a route, proponents argue, could accommodate even larger vessels than the Panama Canal and offer a shorter route for some shipping lanes. However, the Nicaragua Canal remains a distant prospect due to its significant financial and environmental hurdles. Should the Nicaragua Canal ever come to fruition, it could reshape global shipping routes. Sometimes the most efficient solution lies not in navigating the world's oceans, but in traversing its landmasses. Transshipment hubs, strategically located at key ports around the world, offer a way to bypass maritime choke points altogether. Cargo is offloaded from ships at one port and transferred to trains or trucks for transport across a continent. Once at a port on the opposite coast, the cargo is reloaded onto ships for the final leg of its journey. By bypassing congested waterways like the Panama Canal, shippers can reduce transit times and avoid potential delays. As we've seen, the world of maritime logistics is a complex tapestry woven from geography, economics, and the implacable forces of nature. Each of these alternatives to the Panama Canal offers unique benefits and challenges. The best route for your shipment will depend on your specific needs and priorities. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful analyses.